All right, here we are. It is
Hi.
February. Who cares what day it is? It's the day of the Blizzard 2013. And Ada is making snow angels. The Metro North just driving by. Still
And the
open.
plows.
And the plow. And Ada was just doing a little shoveling. We don't really need to, but it's always nice. And here's Mommy, otherwise known as our local weather girl. How is it out here, Mommy?
It's actually a beautiful evening. We have waters and we have shovels.
And we have snow
we have
angels.
Tons of food.
And we have snow angels. Ada, show us how to do
As long as we have power, we'll be smiling. If
How
the
you-
power goes off, the smiles may fade a bit.
proper use of a snow angel. And the one brave soul in the car. Okay, well, we're going to
But
sign off.
if you're
Oh,
caught on 95 tonight, you will be stopped, asked where you're going, and possibly put in jail.
so you'll be detained if you're out and about.
State of emergency.
Okay.
Get me.
Ada,
Someone's
say,
losing her steam.
hey, Ada, say bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Mommy,